lockdown 3. And that makes a real issue for my filming plans. However... Yes! Right, come in. We've got to say hello to everybody. So, hello everybody, it's Steph, it's Rolo, here we are. It's Sunday in January, it's freezing cold outside. You guys loved him in the last vlog, so he's coming back. So, is it time for your breakfast? Yeah? You like breakfast, don't you? Let's feed this guy first. We'll do the Christmas tree, and then we'll take the car out for a spin. Right, come on, Munchkin. Rolo, you want to eat? Now, you always want a dog that's food motivated, and this guy is definitely food motivated. Alright, here we go. Wait for it. Yes! Knock yourself out, mate. Oh, well, it's very cold. It is a very cold morning, and as you can see, the cars, in fact, is that frost or is it cooled down now? No, that is frost. Here we have 124 Spider. We will take this out a bit later on, and it is like 0 degrees, so it's probably going to be a bit of an interesting drive. Now, this car was clean, and I took it out for that video that I showed you guys where, well, we took it out in the rain with the roof down. If you haven't seen that video, check it out. But look how caked it is. White cars look great when they're clean. That's not clean. Okay. God, what a tip. This is what we need, and you've got to love IKEA. One of the things that is always useful is having these boxes from IKEA. They are epic. You want to go in? Should we put Rolo in the box? Mate, look, you've got glitter on your face. How did you manage that? Now, I don't know about you guys, but lockdown 3 is probably something that none of us were really ever expecting. Although, if you have a dog, lockdowns are the best thing in the world for them. Although this guy here has not experienced life outside of lockdown. So what will be interesting is eventually when we actually physically have to go back to work, how are you going to be? Yeah, I can't bring you to work with me, so it's going to be interesting. The other thing, isn't it? It's so slippery out here. I mean, what's the temperature? The temperature is 1 degrees, and I know I really should just keep the traction control on in these scenarios, but one of the things that's so great about this car is how forgiving it is, because there's a lot of high power rear wheel drive cars that will snap on you so quickly, but the 124 Spider, because it's not overpowered, it's 170 horsepower give and take, it just has enough punch to allow you to enjoy the car for what it is, but also doesn't have enough to really get you in too many sticky situations, if that makes sense. And I think this might have to be the theme of all of my vlogs moving forward. I think roof down has got to be the way forward, because surely it must sound epic. And some of the comments, because I do read all the comments, some of the comments in the last video, you guys love the sound of this car as much as I do. It's just so cool. Listen to that. So peaceful, so quiet. Hear the birds chirping away. Do you know what? Winter. Do you know, I kind of love and hate winter. I love it because you have these really crisp winter mornings where the sun is shining, there's not a cloud in the sky, it's blue sky everywhere, and it's just beautiful. It's photogenic, particularly, you know, just to go out for a drive. And the reason I hate it is because, well, it's just so flipping cold, isn't it? And like an idiot, I keep doing this. I'm driving with the roof down, but I'm doing it for you guys. I'm doing it for you guys. I love this thing, man. And actually, one of the things I'm loving so much about this car at the moment is just the experience of driving it. And I love the noise it makes. It looks superb. Right, obviously at the moment it's covered in grime. Right, let's jump in here. This is the other thing as well, interior goals, man. Look at this steering wheel. I love this steering wheel. It's such a good steering wheel on the 124. It's right size, it's perfect. You've got loads of stuff, you've got cruise control, etc. The monstrosity of a handbrake is massive, isn't it? But lovely leather seats with the Bose speakers in the headrest. That's an optional extra. Because this is one of the early cars as well, we got the UK plaque. So this is number 42 that came to the UK. Some of the newer models don't have the plaque because they stopped making them in Italy, and then they were bringing them in from, I think it was Poland or Japan. In fact, it's an MX-5 really, isn't it? It's just such a nice place to be. And also, this is something that's quite interesting. I had a quick look on Auto Trader last night, just because that's what you do. We all surf Auto Trader, more so when there's not much to do. And the prices on these, actually, with the whole visibility pack, etc., like they're hovering around the 15k mark now. It's almost like they're starting to go up, which is great. So get yourself a 124 Spider, that way all 124 owners will benefit from price appreciation. I'm just trying to figure out if it's that slippery or do I just have no tread on the tyres. I have no idea. Hey, you been chilling? Yeah? Do you fancy going for a WALK? No. Before we go anywhere, it's all about the breakfast. You want some of my bacon? You always want some of my bacon. No, you can't have any of the bacon, but you'll sit there, won't you? You'll sit there and wait. You alright? Yeah? Mummy's just getting a newspaper. And then we can go. It's that old saying, isn't it? Happy wife, happy life. And then we'll go to the lake. We'll have some fun at the lake. And then we'll go home. Got an awful lot to say, mate. Yeah. Yes, you do. It's very cute, though. Love you lots. What's this? Huh? You want this? Yeah? You want it? Come on. Go. Are you ready? Are you ready? Let's go. Yeah! You little bruiser. Come on. Good boy, yeah. Yeah, very good. And there you go, guys. That is, well, he's had his exercise. We've been very productive this morning. We've taken the Abarth 124 Spider out for a spin. Did you have fun? Yes, of course you did. I hope you've enjoyed this kind of lockdown vlog, a bit of behind the scenes, I guess, life of Steph. Obviously it's very difficult to film car related stuff at the moment. Obviously filming in lockdown 3 is pretty tough. Come on, let's go. But hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you on the next vlog. See you later, guys. Bye bye.